In this lesson, we're going to measure this angle using a protractor. So we have this angle here, and we're going to try to figure out how to use this protractor to measure it. So first thing we do is we line up the point, the vertex of this angle, with this point on the protractor. Okay, so where these two lines meet, this is where the vertex of your angle will go. Okay. Now we can line up the bottom line, this bottom blue line, with the blue line here on this angle. Okay, on the protractor, line them up. So how's that going to look? Let's put the protractor on top of the angle, and that's how it looks. Okay, so we've lined up this line, this point matches, it's lined up, and now we can start our measurement. We always start our measurement at 0, and this angle is pointing to this side of the protractor, so we start at this 0. So for this angle, the arrow is pointing at 0 on the outer numbers. See how it's the outer numbers? So we use the outer numbers to measure this angle. So you see the green arrow. It's pointing to this outer set of numbers, and we measure using these numbers. So the pink arrow is pointing at 140 degrees. So if we follow the line all the way to where the pink arrow is, we could see the measurement is 140 degrees. So don't forget to use the degree symbol when you're saying what your angle is, okay? So you can't just say the angle is 140, you have to say it's 140 degrees. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. In the description, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this as well. You could download the ebook. There's a link in the ebook that will take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.